Many people ask, what if a traveler gets into an accident and hits a registered car? You've obtained a driver's license, which is actually only for commercial purposes. You've registered your business, which is actually your vehicle. Who insured the vehicle within the company? So why should a traveler have to pay for your car that he damaged? Literally every car I see here on the highway is driven by commercial drivers. You may not know you're a commercial driver or that you're actually a company, but you are. And a company must have liability insurance. If you get into a car accident and you don't have insurance but do have a driver's license, then you have to pay. Because then, you have committed great sins in the world of commerce. Take a store, for example. If you slip and break your arm, that's a lawsuit. Companies take on all liability because you've registered yourself as a company. So if you ever get into a car accident with someone who is registered, and you're registered as a company, you must be insured if you want to drive commercially. That's the whole purpose of registration and insurance. If a traveler were to have an accident with someone without registration, who is also just traveling, it shouldn't be a problem to pay that fellow traveler and make sure they get home. But if you're a registered company, your insurance company takes care of everything. By being a commercial driver, you always have to insure yourself. You're driving around with a commercial driver's license, your vehicle is registered with the state, you pay annual registration fees. What do you mean, you're not a company? You're taking on all liability. When two cars collide, it's like two companies are going to sue each other. That's the difference between driving with a driver's license, registration, and insurance versus traveling. If you travel as a free person, you're not a registered company, and you don't take on liability. Unless you hit another traveler, but the chance of that is very small. If you're driving with a driver's license and hit a rightful traveler's car, and you have insurance, you can be sued for everything. If the traveler hits your car, your insurance company has to pay the traveler. So be careful about setting yourself up as a company, because companies take on all liability. Of course, it's only the straw man name, but your companies are limited liability companies. A company like Amazon drives their cars commercially to protect the enterprise. Learn more about this and other topics by starting our course, and see you next time.